How's it going?
My friend, we met before.
Yeah, you fixed
How
my
are you, brother? Everything
my
good?
son's phone before.
So let's take a look, man. So what's the issue with the battery?
Oh, the battery doesn't last at all.
Don't worry, my friend. I'll fix
It's
it.
old, eh? You know.
100%. Don't worry, I'll take care of it, my friend.
Yeah,
15 minutes,
whatever
I
you
should
want.
be done.
No
Okay?
problem.
I appreciate it, buddy.
I got your card. That's why I called.
I appreciate you, my friend. Thank you so much.
All done, son?
All done, my friend. Brand new, ready to go.
That's it.